There we go. I forgot. I keep muting my mic. Okay, hello YouTubers. Tell me the ice but we have returned. That was weird. Don't know what was that. I think I had my bitrate too low, and it just this thing kept trying to reconnect on its own, and then I couldn't stop it. So that was fun. So make sure to I don't know what to make sure of anymore. I'm nuts. I think is the only word for this right now. Okay, so as the title implies, I'm going to be encoding one of the plugins that will be used on IceFactions on BCN, Blizzardcraft Network. If those of you who don't know what that means, well, I'm going to get you guys caught up from what you missed on the Twitch stream earlier this morning. I've coded a majority of this on that trip stream. A lot of this was already here. I coded mainly this page. Now, yes, this doesn't look like a lot, but like me learning objects again. No, I literally just went through class. I have this book, quite literally, one page is marked static. I know how to avoid that now. I'm very happy about that. If I confuse any of you, I am sorry. So, toward the end of the stream, I'd like you to leave a vote. Right there on the iCard, there is a question. Do not submit your vote yet unless you literally know what your answer is. But I doubt you do. You gotta, because for most of you probably just watched Minecraft, you never coded before, so maybe you might enjoy this, maybe you might not. That's kind of what the question is. Anywho though, enough of me blabbering, let's get into this. So, what this currently does so far, and you will hear a lot of silence. So this is your basic plugin is this home page. You got your drill, or I mean your command in the unenable method. You have your command, which is over here, and this is what I'm checking. I check if the command is a player. If it is a player, then it's there. If I don't pass an argument, meaning like if I just do /drill, nothing else, then it will execute this. It will create a drill block, and then it will just get the default. Now, if I pass it a number, it means if I do /drill space 1, that anything with a space after the first command is called an argument here. So if I pass in an argument, it's going to check to see if the length equals 1. How many arguments do you have? Because you can have multiple arguments. Now, if it does, it should only equal 1 directly. Only 1. Then what it's going to do is going to create a drill object. It's going to create an item stack inside using a method inside the object with the tier, and then it's going to add that to your inventory. That's where this method comes in. So when you call this is automatically done by default. And then if you pass an argument, this gets called. If you do by default, this is done and this is called. And it just returns the drill. That's all it does. And then I will actually show you guys. Woo! Okay. I don't need that. Do want it bigger, but I don't need it that big. I think that's good. I think that's a decent size. Okay, I need to go to desktop. I need to go to test plugin server. I need to run this .bat to show you guys what's currently already in play. So we're gonna let this run. It's gonna take a moment. Don't forget to leave a like down there. As you can see, on this third line, it says BCNDrill, that's the name of my plugin, enabling BCNDrill version 0.01. Okay, so now, if I go to multiplayer, ooh, there's 3 people on my server. I'm happy. Oh, okay, I'm going to stop. I don't want to scare anyone away. I can't make any promises on that. Okay, so I just logged into localhost, which is that command prompt server right now. No one else can connect to this. I don't care how hard you try, you will not get on here. This is pure local on the machine. Doesn't even go out. Okay, it is currently night. So we have my inventory, which is wiped. I'm going to wait. There we go. So I know I'm full screen. I can't stand this. Okay, so this is what I've been doing when I was messing with the first version of it. I've been messing with a bunch of other things. I don't know what this. Oh yeah, I tried to do that. Okay. And then I also tried to do that to craft CPU, to craft different tiers of drills. But so let's do the drill command right now. /drill. Drill. Okay. Gave me an item. It is a type dropper? Yeah, that's right. Is it? Hold on. Did I make that dropper? It is a dropper. Okay. As intended. So, we have dropper. It's a BCNDrill. Has a lure. Drills can help get minerals fast. Tier 1. The official BCNDrill. Okay. Pretty straightforward. But I want tier... Someone give me a number. Someone give me a number. Number between 1 and 127. Someone give me a number. I want to make this interactive. So someone just literally give me a number. I actually probably should try to calculate a delay. I'm impatient. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Come on, is anyone going to give me a number? No? Maybe? I don't know. I think this might be literally no one give me a number. Okay, I'm gonna pick one. There, according to this encoder, there are 4 people watching the stream, so we're gonna get tier 4. Okay, so if you do /drill and you pass it the number 4 and you press enter, okay. So you have your default. Now, look at that, tier 4. I have coded it to do that far. Now, let's go look at an issue that's we're currently standing at with this point. Is there any hostiles? This should be peaceful. So if I place that and break it, place and break, normal creative stuff, right? Okay. Let's go into game. No, let's actually keep it there. Place it. Should be the same, right? Okay, /game mode survival. Let's break this. Oh. Ooh. What happened? This should have been it. But we only got BCNDrill. We only got the title back. Why didn't we get the lure? Let's place down this one. Oh, cool. Oh, ooh. Let's try this one. Yeah, let's try the upward direction. What? It happened again. That's the issue. It only keeps titles, Minecraft. Default. So, right now, my next task is to stop that. To do that, there is literally multiple steps involved. I think the first step is to store locations, and then we'll start the players. I'm thinking out loud here, sorry. I've done this before, so I kind of know what I need to do, but there's just so much that needs to be done so you can mine it again. I'll show you guys the code for the other one when it comes to it. So I'm going to turn this off for the time being. And then we're going to minimize that for the time being. Okay, so we bring this up. That should have, that was weird. I got it not highlight in that thing. Okay, so. Me tired. Trying to figure out how I want to approach this. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Because first this thing has to log everything. This needs to have all the variables to hold it, and then I have to do player event on block place and block break. Okay, well, let's change this to dispenser. Legacy dispenser, and that is depreciated. Material dot what did that get replaced with? Hold on, I'm gonna come in here and see what it got replaced with. Hold on. /GMC. Okay. That's a dropper. Where's the dispenser? There it is. Dispenser. Dropper. Dispenser. Weird. Very weird. Oh, there's 2 people on this server now. Okay, whatever. This is so Minecraft dispenser. I guess we're gonna stick with that, but it's depreciated. Why? I don't understand why that's depreciated. Okay, I guess the new drills are going to be dropper. Not dropper. We're just gonna go back to the dropper. We're gonna stick with it because at least that's gonna stick around. Okay. Oh, stretch. Oh. Okay. Okay, we're gonna stick with that. Okay, first things first, we're gonna figure out how to store locations. So, I guess we're gonna make we're gonna make a private location equals private location. Okay, stick with that. Private location or .bucket location, and that should be just an unused resource. Correct. Okay, so, oh, I did not do that right. I need to Control X that out. Declare private information here. So those are the yellow lines are comments. These yellow ones with the slashes and all that. So the Gabe doesn't even see those. Oh man. So stores location of placement. Okay. Now when you do private UUID is owner. And we're going to, no, I don't want to use the Java util. I want to use the bucket one. Hold on. I'm going to try it over here. Get unique ID. I guess we're just gonna have to stick with UUID over here. We'll just import it. Java use it. Oh no, that's not gonna kill me. Stores the players. Stores the UUID of player who placed. Stores the player of place. Okay, so that's going to do that. Now, what other things we want? A boolean, private boolean. Already started. By default, it's going to equal false. Stores info on if drill was already started. And then we need the private. We do byte. Private byte tier. Private byte tier. Stores the level / tier of the drill. Okay, there we go. So see, that's simple. So now we have the majority of the variables we're going to be using, or at least I am. Okay, I cannot stand the silence. I need just some music going in the background here. I'm sorry. I legit cannot stand the silence. It's gonna drive me absolutely crazy. There we go. I think that's a good one. Okay, now this is going to come over here. It's going to be a special size of tiny. I'm going to make this small. Oh, can I not make it any smaller than that? I guess I could do that. And do that. And then it will allow me to do that, I guess. Okay, that works. Okay, so now I can see what's going on. For the most part. Okay. So yeah, this is what I use to make sure that the stream is good. I look at the stream health. I look at this activity log here. Yeah, that was from me trying to get going. That was so weird. And I make sure before I start streaming. I make sure before I start streaming. Now I load up this page and I click this button to make it that, so it's actually stopped. Otherwise, this will keep loading the stream and thus keeps downloading data, and then that makes it difficult. Ooh, what's a good song? Okay. So I could make a constructor. Force a constructor. Okay, let's make the default constructor, I guess. Default constructor. Default constructor. Public. Public drill block. Yep, that's the constructor. So, constructors are like force things that allows me to fill in this information. So if it fills nothing, we're just going to default does nothing. I'm not even gonna touch it. Just leave it like that. Empty. Okay. And then constructor for different tiers. Besides default drill slash tier 1. So when this is like this, we're gonna do public drill block. We're doing right here is something I like to, that is called here in Java method overloading. But I have to do something, so we gotta do a byte level. There, we're passing variable, thus method overloading. Excuse me. Okay, so we want to do tier equals level. Tier equals level, and then yeah, default is false. So yeah. So tier equals level. Okay, so actually by default tier equals 1. There. By default that actually needs to equal 1. Default drill. So, and this is automatically false on every single one. So that makes sense. Now I do have errors. I'm trying to find them. Oh. Okay. I'm glad I remembered. That song is a bad song. Whew. I really do not want to start the stream over. I've stopped it just in time. Don't listen. If you hear Back from the Dead, just mute your music because like it's a bad song. It's not family friendly. Okay. Enough of that. Oh. I'm telling you guys, this is. I can guarantee you, I'm gonna see like a bunch of no's on that vote. On the card that people do not want to see this again. Okay, so we're gonna have the default tier. So this is sets the tier of the drill to level. Okay, so these are the two constructions I can think of. Besides the, and then maybe, and this is without saving it. Saving will probably be either another day or off camera, because saving. Cuckoo! That's all I gotta say. Cuckoo! It's nuts. It's not easy code. It's a lot of code. I don't know if I'll do that on stream or not. And I might, and I just might. You see this? There's music. Enjoy. Hey, maybe that's what I'll do. When I start coding, if you guys want me to do that, let me know down in the comments after the video gets posted. There will be a comment section show up after the video gets posted. Leave a comment that you want me to just stream the entire day and don't care what I do, if I walk away or not. I can't stay focused. This is very difficult for me to stay focused. I don't know why. Okay, so I have levels, constructors, the things that get owned. I did use this. I don't know what you're talking about. So, create the drill item stack. So, oh wait, and then I actually gotta create it as well. Create drill block item stack when you pass it level. There. And it will return absolutely nothing. It will literally create the drill. Create the drill block item stack. There. Make sure you comment. If you ever code, just comment. I've learned that the hard way. It doesn't hurt to work on it. It really doesn't. It can be messy, but at least then you are detailed enough where like you can understand where things go. Okay, so now we have constructors. Now I want to figure out how to store the location. So when I break the block, so that's gonna be on player place and on player break. So I'm gonna need to create a new class for this. Events. Oh, so I can do BCNDrill events. There we go. I like that one. The use of the default package is discouraged. Oh, because I did it wrong. Here. New. Class. There we go. Name is BCNDrill events. BCNDrill events. Okay. So this events class, implements event list. Is it extends listener or listener or implements listener? I don't remember. It's either implements or extends. I need to look on this bigger page for that really quick. That would be here. So using the event API, what am I doing? I'm extending our implements listener, and I need to register events. So I need to go to here. So on enable this dot. What do I do again? Oh, not this dot. It's a get server. Get server dot what? Dot get plugin manager dot register event or events. Register events plural. Register events, and then this is a new BCNDrill events. I forgot to actually name the listener. And this is going to be this, and then that. There. Voila. I have no idea how I'm going to explain this to you guys. I'm not a fan of any of this right now. Register listener class. Register listener class. Okay. There. I like spaces better than tabs. Okay, so now the events that I need to listen for are like block place and block break. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm gonna stretch. I gotta stretch real good. Okay. Just trying to figure out where I want to store that. That's gonna hold that. Okay, I'm gonna use the restroom. I gotta return. I've been drinking a lot of water today. I'm back. Is anyone even enjoying this at all? I'm quite curious. Okay, I need to override public on block place event. Is you enjoying this? I'm actually very surprised. This method on block placement of type must override or implement a super type method. I'm so confused. Okay, now I need to bring up the Spigot API. Spigot doc. I legit don't remember how to do this. So there's a on player join. Okay, so let's on block place. Let's try that. And what did they do? Public void this. Oh, event handler. Wow, I'm stupid. Event handler. There we go. Oh, what's this? Import. There we go. Okay, that is better. Okay. So we have the block place event and then the event handler public void on block break block break event. There we go. And I need to import the block break event. Okay. Okay, so now we have our two events. So let me describe what needs to be done, and then take it from there. I really do not want to be working on this late at night. I really don't want to be doing this right now. Okay. So, you have something in your inventory, right? So, when you place it, you saw that place normally, but when I broke it, you saw it broke abnormally. So what I need to do is, when the block gets placed, I need to see if it's a dropper. If it is a dropper, I need to see if it matches the item stack of the drill block. If it doesn't match the item stack of a drill block, then I need to, crap, what do I need to do? Then it has to log its location, and then the owner too, but let's just go with location. It needs to log its location, and the block will place as normal, but then it will log the location in what I like to call an array. So then on block break event, it first detects if it's a dropper. Okay, was the dropper at a location where on a block place it was logged? If the location matches, break the block and drop the item. Drop the item stack. Simple as that. I hope. It is not that easy though when it comes to storing that. It's extremely difficult. I don't even know where I'm going to store that. I might store it right here, but I don't know. I might store it as simply as in here. Maybe. I don't know. See, I told you now what needs to be done. Now, how I'm going to go about doing it, I don't know yet. Okay, so let's actually take that one step at a time. So, event dot get block dot get type. Okay, so hold on. If I do if and actually we're gonna see if this is false. If event.getType that equals material dot dropper, and I gotta import material. So what this does, when a block is placed, the first thing it does, if event.getBlock.type equals event.dropper, if it does, actually, ooh, whoa. Okay, we're gonna not, instead of getting the opposite, we're gonna give the exact. So if that evaluates to true, that means that the block that gets placed is a dropper. We're gonna continue on with the comparison. Okay, so I'm going to checks if block placed is of type dropper. Okay, and if it is, we need to do another thing. We need to do event dot get how did I do this last time? Event dot event dot get event dot what do we get? Dot get item in hand. Event dot get inventory dot get event dot get player dot. Actually, what happens? Can I do event dot get item in hand? Event dot get. What does this say? Get item in hand returns item stack. Dot equals object. Okay, now I need to compare it somehow. So it checks that item stack. If it equals one of the... Ooh, so I need to make a list of blocks. Ooh. Okay, so we're going to do the default. I'm an idiot. So I need to get the drill block list. I'm gonna need to make a list. Fun. That's gonna be fun. That's the amount of tiers there's gonna be. So that means that I can calculate all the different lures. I'm gonna have to do that now, I think. Okay. Should I make a dedicated class to that, though? Yeah, because I actually have to be able to go through it all. Okay, so I'm actually going to have to make my own comparison. Yeah, so this has to be in its own class. Okay. So new class, we name it drill block types. Drill block types, I guess, is as simple as the drill block types. Okay. So since we're not going to be extending anything, how do I want to approach this? Okay, so, well, it's going to be passing it. So I guess first things first, to make an array of all the different types. Array of can I actually make an item stack array? Can I do that? Item stack array. Ah, it's actually gonna let me do that. Beautiful. Item stack array, types. Item stack array types. There. Import the item stack. Okay. Ooh! I like this. This is actually gonna save me quite a bit of code, I think. Equals new item stack array. And it's gonna be of size 3. Let's do a size 3 for the time being. So we have 3 tiers. Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Simply. Very, very simple. Very simple. So I want to, and this I want to keep private. Private. I want this private. Okay. Okay, I'm getting there. Item stack array that holds all the drill tiers. Holds all the drill tiers. Okay, so now item. Okay, so types 0 equals. We gotta make a new drill block. Or no, maybe I could just copy the item over. Equals new item builder. All this. Okay. So if I so actually copy the default one. New item builder. Right click. Copy. Okay. 0 equals this. Okay. What does it not like? Ooh, it doesn't like something. Incomplete. Save this. It's not liking something at the moment. Type 0 equals. Okay, so we do need that new in there, but I'm missing something. Equals new item builder. Color lure, which gives me the different levels of lure. And then we have the down amount and the create. Types 0. What is this? Expected after this token. What are you expecting? Types 1 equals I legit have no idea why this is happening. It's supposed to make 3 different sizes. It's literally going to be. So literally this is just gonna be this 3 times over. What I don't get is though why that's such a big problem. That returns an item stack, doesn't it? Item builder returns an item stack. Yeah, it does. New item builder returns item stack. So what's the problem? type 0, Control C, Control V, Control V. 1, 2. So this is going to be 2. This is going to be 3. So we have 3 different tiers. What is happening with this thing right now? Insert to complete. Complete what? Okay, well that explains that. Wait, no it doesn't. Where does that line up to? It doesn't line up with anything. Okay, what do you want? Expected something after this token. Okay, do I need to actually create a class? Or get rid of, can I just get rid of private? Will that help you? No? Wait, new item stack. New item stack 3. There. Okay, I still don't know why that, because see that closes up the class correctly. Looks like my music actually just died right there. Interesting. Alright, I guess we'll close that. Like, literally, I have no... What if I were to comment that out? Hmm? Alright, so maybe we create a public void something, just creating something there. Okay, now what? Expected after this token. Why? What if I were to control X that out of that spot, and if I were to put it down here? Legit don't know why this is happening. What the heck? Does that make any sense for anyone? Like, for real, what just happened? This is not making any sense. So, well, what's the point of all this? That doesn't make any sense. Like, is this making sense to anyone? Control A, Control Shift F to proper format it. Look, that literally makes 0 sense. Oh! Never mind. I'm an idiot. Okay, so that literally just fills the array. So wait, do I even need that then? Can I just remove that? No, I need that. That ends the statement. So, well, what was the point of all this? That's so confusing. There. I like that more. Okay, so I just delete that. Control C. And Control V. 1, 2. Whoopsie, undo that. 2, 3. There. And we make 3 different versions of the drill. 3 tiers. Okay. I heard my mom come home. I'm stretching. I am not designed to do this at 7:30 at night. Okay. As much as everyone probably wants to watch me do this, I'm just I can't do it right now. Oh man, I'm very, very, very tired. Yeah. I hope to work on it tomorrow. Hopefully be able to actually stay focused and work on it completely. I don't know. We'll see. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm going to go say hi to my mom, probably get something to snack on, and maybe I'll play some Miss Warson. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to stream anymore tonight. Heck, I might even just get in the shower and go to sleep. I'm tired. So, if you guys did end up joining this, make sure to make a vote right up there with the iCard. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you want me to do this tomorrow. I don't know if anyone enjoys this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell so you know when I start streaming or upload a video that you get notified, because I do it when I have time. And, yeah, this is Stormy the Ice Leopard signing off. Peace out, everybody.